We are standing here with Mr. Sandro Vano, home of Toronto, Ontario. Has this property down in Largo, Florida that we just put a new roof on. And we added slope to his flat roof here, which eliminates the ponding, and a new shingle roof. So how did you feel about the job Augusto Roofing did for you?
I think they did an awesome job. He has an awesome team, a team that's willing to work hard, learn from the best, and John's a good educator when it comes to roofing.
Well, we appreciate that. And pricing, I'm sure you got some other prices, and it was, how did that work out?
We're pretty competitive. Yeah, it was reasonable. And,
okay.
Yeah, and we got a more permanent flat roof as opposed to the foam alternative.
Well, we appreciate your time, sir. Would you recommend them in the future?
Absolutely. If I could get you up in Canada, I would.
Thank you, Mr. Vano.
No worries.